And this is a great question. Should I expect my decorator to clean up every day or at the end of the job? Well, that is entirely up to you, and it's something that you should have a conversation with your decorator before they start the job. Now, there's obviously going to be a cost implication that if you want your decorator to tidy up every day, that's going to be taking them away from time he'll be spent decorating or putting paint on the wall or doing the prep. So expect the job to take longer and to cost a little bit more. However, most decent decorators will keep a pretty tidy site or job anyway, so they will keep their stuff up together when we finish our work for the end of the day, get all our tools together, put them in the corner of the room and just throw dust sheet over the top of them. So it looks quite neat and tidy. We'll have a sweep round, but other than that, we leave the site pretty tidy because we don't like working a mess. But there are other people out there or other decorators that maybe don't work so tidily, but it is just down to having a conversation, and the same with anything really to running a good job. Just good communication. Ask these questions, get it out in the air, in the open before you start, before you take on a decorator, and just ask those questions. Or talk to their previous customers and see how tidy they were on their site or when they ran their job. Anyway, hope that helps. Speak to you soon.